What is going on, everybody? It's your boy NeoStarling, and I am back here with another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing all of you how do you synchronize your audio on Adobe Premiere Pro 2020. So let's get to it, everybody. So right here, as you can see, I have two videos here. Well, one video and one audio. So we're going to select these and drag them over here. Now, the green bar down here is essentially the audio that I recorded from my Zoom H5 device, and the blue bar under the video is the default audio that comes from my DSLR camera. Now, you're probably wondering to yourself, why is it that it's so low and I can barely see anything? Well, the reason for that being is because the audio was low. I was testing another mic, long story. Either way, there's still some audio, it's just very hard to hear it. So what we're gonna do is we are going to hold the Alt button and we're gonna select both of them. The reason you wanna hold Alt when you're selecting is so that you don't select the video as well. You just wanna grab these two individual audio clips. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna right click and we are going to go to Synchronize. Once you hit Synchronize, just make sure that it's on audio and the track channel is on mix down. You do not have to alter it in any other way, and just click OK. So it's processing. Once the processing goes through and it gets done, which is done very quickly because it's a short video, you're gonna see here and you're wondering to yourself, why does everything look separated? It's actually not. The audio is officially synchronized. The issue is that the devices were turned on at different times, so there's a gap in between. That's easily remedied. We're just gonna select the razor tool here, and hold on, let me deselect everything. We're gonna select the razor tool and we're gonna click right over here to cut this little piece of audio that we don't want. Then we're gonna right click it, we're gonna clear it, then we're gonna click the selection tool once more. Don't forget to hold Alt once more before you select these two, and then you're just gonna drag it all the way to the beginning of your clip. So now it's perfectly synchronized. So I'm gonna mute the bad audio over here and I'm gonna play the good audio so that you can see what it looks like. Really as good as people say it is? We're gonna find out. What is going on, everybody? It's your boy NeoStarling, and I am back here with another review. Today I'm pretty excited to be reviewing the So there you go. As you could see, it is officially synchronized. Now, what you want to do is you still want to get rid of this blue bar over here because this is the bad audio that you don't want. Once more, with the selection tool, hold down the Alt key and just select this track by itself. Then you're going to right click, clear it out, click here once more and just drag it on top, and now they're officially synchronized together. There's no more issue. Super quick, easy, to the point tutorial. I know those are difficult to come by nowadays, but with that said, if you guys feel that you've gained any value from this, please feel free to like, comment, share, subscribe, do the damn thing and help a brother out. I've been NeoStarling. You are all awesome, and don't ever let anyone tell you different. Signing off.